Hi, this is Stuart Patterson, Alpha Charlie 9 Lima Zulu. I'm a chaser in the National Parks on the Air for 2006. I'm having a good time. I noticed someone on the Facebook group had created a spreadsheet of all the national parks. Well, I went ahead and modified it to make it a little bit easier for me to track the parks I've worked, and I wanted to share that with everyone. So this is the spreadsheet that the person developed. I'm not sure who did it, but whoever did, thank you. And it's got all the parks listed by code. I renamed the tab, and I also added a tab called Worked. Well, the way you want to use this is go and log into the National Parks on the Air site. Off of the home page, you'll see Units Worked, and this is a list of all the parks I've worked. And it gets updated as I update a logbook of the world. So come down here, start at the bottom. I found it easier. Scroll to the top, and all you want to do is grab the parks. You don't want the other text. So there we go. Now I do a Control-C to copy it into my clipboard, toggle back over to the spreadsheet, and on the Worked tab or worksheet, in the very first cell, I paste it in, and you'll notice that it pastes it all in. And there's some blanks and stuff. Well, we're going to take care of those now. So what you want to do is go up under View, Macros, view the macros, and you want to run the National Park on the Air formatting. And by running this, what it does is it gets rid of all those spaces and it parses out the actual National Park unit code, which then automatically color codes on the previous screen. So now you can print this off and keep it at your station to see which parks you've actually worked. In fact, if you go to File, Print, I've kind of got it formatted so it'll fit on one page. So that's basically it. That's how you use this. I'm using Excel 2013. I can't make guarantees on other versions. You're welcome to change it, change the color, change the formatting, do whatever you want. I'm kind of just putting this out there in the public domain. I don't really want to support it, but I want to make it easier for everyone to have fun with chasing the national parks on the air. So with that, 73, take care. Stuart Patterson, AC9LZ.